Hi there. Welcome to the Understanding Agentic AI course. I'm Niko Lehtonen, and I'm here to tell you about AI agents. AI agents are a next-generation technology with which you can take process automation to another level. With agentic AI, companies can transform their business processes in ways that would have been previously deemed overly complex or otherwise unfeasible to do. We are delighted to present to you with this course and raise awareness of the capabilities of AI agents. The main topics of the course are as follows. What is an AI agent? How does it work? The differences between AI assistants and AI agents. Communicating with AI agents. And of course, use cases. And finally, how to get started with agentic AI. The content of this course will consist of videos, quizzes, and many useful articles handpicked by our experts. In our other agentic AI courses, we also have hands-on exercises for you to really get a concrete grasp of how to work in the world of agentic AI. Whether you're a data scientist, a developer, a C-suite executive, a process owner, or a business analyst. And by the end of this course, you will have learned about what agentic AI is, how do AI agents work, and how to get started on our agentic AI journey. Without further ado, let's get going. We hope you enjoy this course.